Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Hey, thanks for coming to the corner today. I'm going to show you how to clean your Hoover floor mat. And it's a hard floor cleaner that vacuums, washes, and dries. And we've had it for several years. And Mama Pappy, she wanted to clean it out because there was some collection of dirt and that got down here in the brushes and up here in the tank. So let's get going. And up top here, this is your reservoir for your cleaning solution. There it is. And it normally doesn't get dirty because this is, like I said, a cleaning solution. So it just snaps in. Down here, this is where the dirty water goes. And in here, there's a cap to this filter. Just take it off, and it's held on with a tether so you don't lose it. And there's the filter. And we cleaned it up good, cleaned out the tank. It wasn't too bad. And then when you put this on, there's a couple little tabs that snap in there. And then you just place it back in like so. And it snaps in. But down here, this is where some collection got where it sucks up the dirty water. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how simple this was to clean. Two release tabs pull out on both of them like so. And the nozzle release is what they're called. We'll take this off. And the dirtiest part really was in this neck right here where it had collected some dirt and we had to rinse that out. And if you want to take this end piece off here, there was a little collection of some dirt and hair and stuff in there. There's a torch screw right here. And in here there's two Phillips. Now, I don't know why they put a torch there. Maybe they just didn't want the average Joe to take it apart, but that didn't stop Pappy. Now down here there's two tabs. You just push those and that'll release the brushes. And you can see that you can readily clean those, and you can get up here and clean this area out also. So it's very simple to put back on. You just make sure that this drive peg, it's a square peg, is lined up with this hole here. So it has to be turned. You can turn it and get it lined in there, and it'll snap right in. So those release tabs are really slick, and you reverse the process when you put it together. And there it is, back together. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to clean your Hoover floor mat. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.